This lotion is made in Chicago, so it is dermatologically tested. That means it is clinically proven to do what? Improve your skin texture. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for tuning in today. If you just see this face for the first time, hi, my name is Choma Akujeze, and here on this channel I share skincare tips, I make product reviews, and I also do DIYs. Okay, so if this is something you love and this is something that you are interested in, please click the subscription button right away to be what? Part of the family. Okay, very quickly guys, we're going to be discussing on 4 best vitamin C body lotions for skin brightening, and this body lotion will suit well for you if you have a fair skin or a dark skin. So this is not just for the fair skin gang alone, this will also suit well for the dark skin gang. Trust me, you don't want to miss out on any part. Like, vitamin C is one key ingredient when it comes to skin brightening. A lot of people do have this perception that this idea or this knowledge that whenever we talk about brightening, we are talking about lightening. But no, brightening and lightening are 2 different things. When lightening, taking you out of your shade, that's when you mean to lightening. Like, you're a dark skin person and you lighten up your skin and you're not getting a yellow shade, okay? But brightening is totally different. The brightening is enhancing, radiating, and actually glowing your natural skin glow, giving you a very luminous glow. So when I mean brightening, I just want you guys to have the idea, evening out your skin tone. And whenever you use a brightening body lotion, your skin tone is definitely going to even. Like, you're not going to be having an uneven skin tone. Vitamin C is the key focus of today's video. It's one of the key and the purest form of brightening your skin. Yeah. Vitamin C, which is also known as ascorbic acid, is a vital ingredient that helps to boost the body during healing process. Vitamin C is an essential nutrient which is involved in the repair of tissue and the formation of collagen production for the body. So like, it's a key ingredient that no matter how it is, like, you want to make sure that your skincare product, any skincare product you are using, you want to make sure that it is infused with vitamin C. It's a vital ingredient for your body healing process, especially those that have actually bleached their skin and they are tired of bleaching their skin, or they do not want to bleach their skin anymore, or they are trying to repair your skin. Using vitamin C products, using products that are infused with vitamin C will actually help your healing process and actually help you to even out your skin tone. So let's just look at some of the things that vitamin C would help to do in our body. As we all know, vitamin C would help to brighten up your skin, anti-aging, and yes, it helps to clear hyperpigmentation. It helps to boost collagen. Vitamin C is an antioxidant that helps to protect and shield the skin from free radicals. They're saying that vitamin C makes our skin sensitive to the sun. In most cases, it's actually true, but it's true when there are some ingredients that are used in the products that can actually disturb our pH balance, like vitamin C and retinol. When you use vitamin C and retinol together, it can actually disturb our pH balance. Like, those ingredients do not go together. That is when you find, that's when you notice that, oh, I use this product, it has vitamin C and it has retinol in it, but it's giving me rashes on my face, or it's giving me rashes, or it's actually making my skin itchy, or you are reacting to it. That is because you've used a product that do not go well with these vitamin C products or vitamin C ingredients. So guys, let's quickly look at the 4 body lotions that are infused with vitamin C that we're going to be reviewing today. The first one here is Nature Well Vitamin C Brightening Body Lotion. This is the picture of the Nature Well Vitamin C body lotion here. This Nature Well Vitamin C body lotion is so nice. It is infused with vitamin C. As you can look at it, it's actually, like I say, it's citrus or orange in color, and it has a citrus scent. Like, it gives you this orange scent. It is rich, creamy in texture, so it's going to actually boost your hydration. You are not going to lack any hydration when using this product on your skin. It has no greasy residue. This lotion helps to reduce discoloration. These lotions that I'm reviewing today are dermatologically tested, so that means it is clinically tested and proven to improve your skin texture and skin tone. A friend of mine actually chatted me up and she was like, man, she just started using this lotion and this lotion is so good that it has brightened up her skin and improve your skin texture. And that is one thing vitamin C is going to do for you. Vitamin C lotion will help to brighten up your skin, give you an even texture, girl, and make you love and actually appreciate your skin tone. That is the idea at the end of the day, to make you own your own beautiful and give you that even skin tone that you want. It is so good for dry skin too, and it's stable for all skin types. If you're a fair skin person, you can use this body lotion. If you're a dark skin person, you can also use this body lotion. I'm going to leave the amount of the lotion here on the screen just in case, because it could actually vary according to your location. If you want to get the lotion online, I'm going to leave a link in my description box where you can get the body lotion online. Okay, and okay, if you are watching this video and you've not yet liked the video, please do well to like the video. It's a way of showing your support to me and telling me that you love me. And not yet subscribed, please, what are you waiting for? Please do well to click the subscription button to be part of the family. So the next body lotion here on my list is the Dr. Teals Vitamin C plus Citrus body lotion. Like, there's no how I can talk about body lotions that are infused with vitamin C and miss out on this particular vitamin C lotion. Lotion is infused with vitamin C and even citrus is infused in it. I've done a full video of this Dr. Teals body lotion before. Like, I've reviewed like the 4 best of Dr. Teals body lotion on my channel here. If you haven't seen that video, I'm going to leave the link in my description box down here and up here so you can go and check it out. If you're that kind of person that do not really love lotion with thick texture, that loves lotion with light texture, then I feel like this Dr. Teals is going to be something that you're going to consider, because Dr. Teals has a light texture and it has a gentle orange scent. The scent of this Dr. Teals is so overwhelming. This Dr. Teals will actually help to glow your skin, moisturizes and hydrate your skin so well. And why I said it's going to hydrate and moisturize your skin so well is because this particular lotion is formulated with the combination of aloe vera, shea butter, cocoa butter and vitamin E. Having these combinations of ingredients in your lotion, there is no how your skin is going to lack moisture and hydration. It is also dermatologically tested. That means this lotion is also clinically proven to improve your skin tone and your skin's texture. Like, you are just so going to love how the lotion is going to turn out on your skin. That youthful glow you're looking for, trust me guys, this type of lotion is also going to give you this a youthful glow and a very radiant glow. A video of this Dr. Teals body lotion here on my channel, and if you have not seen that video, I'm going to leave the links to the video up here and also in my description box so you can go and check out that video. Okay, the third body lotion here on my list is Advanced Clinicals Vitamin C Brightening Body Lotion. And if you are using any of these body lotion I'm going to be reviewing for you guys, please come down to the comment section and talk about it. Share your honest review on this body lotion. Like, I want to know. This Advanced Clinical, they have a lot of varieties. Even the Nature Well has lots of varieties. This skin brightener, it contains other skin soothing, nourishing, hydrating and antioxidants rich ingredients like vitamin E, green tea, coconut oil, jojoba oil and aloe vera. Like, this particular one has amazing ingredients also in it. This lotion is not only infused with vitamin C, it's also infused with vitamin E. And vitamin E helps to do what? It helps to protect the skin. It restores the skin natural glow by improving skin's complexion, by helping to address minor hyperpigmentation. So when it comes to brightening, you are sure that you're going to see this brightening on your skin. These lotions are going to suit so well for people who have bleached their skin or want to actually repair a damaged skin. This lotion is going to be so good for you, and it's going to help you through your healing process. So I hope you're getting it, and by now you should have been checking it and knowing the one that is going to suit so well for your skin. The lotion is not lightweight. It has a very thick texture, but it doesn't give you a greasy residue on your skin when you apply it. This lotion is made in Chicago, so it is dermatologically tested. That means it is clinically proven to do what? Improve your skin texture and skin tone. The fragrance of this particular one is so strong. If you have a very dry, flaky skin, this lotion is going to suit so well for your dry skin. Okay, the fourth and the last body lotion here for this video is the Nivea Q10 Plus Vitamin C Firming Body Lotion. Like, I actually saved this one for the last. There is no how I can talk about vitamin C lotions, brightening body lotions, in fact brightening body lotions, and miss out on Nivea. Like, it's not possible, because Nivea lotions are lotions that actually help to brighten up your skin. They are easily accessible, like you can get them easily. Like, it's not something that is difficult to get. You can easily get them around you. So I've reviewed Nivea body lotions for fair skin. If you have not seen that video, the link of the video is going to be up here, and it's also going to be in my description box. Okay, so now this Nivea body lotion is a lightweight formula. The same thing with the Dr. Teals body lotion. It doesn't leave any greasy residue on your skin. It actually helps to firm your skin. Okay, this Nivea Q10 has the one that is lightweight and the one that is also rich in texture. The one that is lightweight is for more skin, and like say you have oily skin, you can actually use this particular one. But if you have a dry skin, this one is going to be good for you. It makes your skin soft and smooth. This one has Q10. It is so important that you start using products that are infused with vitamin C. You want to make sure and ensure that any product you are using has vitamin C in it, because this is not only going to help to brighten up your skin, it will help to reduce fine lines, wrinkles, and slow down anti-aging process, because it helps to do what? Boost collagen. So when using these lotions, what must you do? You want to make sure that you are using a sunscreen alongside with it. After applying your lotion, you want to make sure that the lotion absorbs properly into your skin. Then you use your sunscreen, then you can now go in with your body oils. But please, you want to make sure that these lotions absorb very well into your skin, especially if the lotion is very thick in texture, because vitamin C most times becomes unstable when exposed to sunlight. Normally, when you apply your body lotion and you just quickly go out without even allowing it to actually sit down for a while into your skin, you just apply it. Like, the lotion might end up rubbing off and may not even see the effect of the lotion that you are using. You may not even see the effect of the lotion that you are using on your skin. Please do not use this body lotion on your face. Our face is very sensitive, and you might not want to actually interrupt the pH balance of your face. Guys, that will be all for today's video. I hope you actually found this video really helpful. If you watched me up to this point, like you watched my video up to this point, oh god, you are the best. God bless you. Thank you so much for watching my videos. Thank you so much for sticking with me. And if you've not yet subscribed, please do well to subscribe. Do well to like this video. God bless you so much. And subscribe, yeah, like, subscribe, and share to your friends. Share to people who actually found this video really helpful. If you want to get this body lotion, you can get this body lotion from any cosmetic store around you. You can check the link in my description box for you to actually get this body lotion. Thank you so much for watching, and until then, I'm going to see you guys in my next video. Bye guys.